Alright, so I've got this Atom Smart coffee maker that I got off of Amazon because I wanted to be able to program my coffee maker to start automatically. And that works, but I have this weird idea that maybe the coffee isn't as good as the coffee maker that we used to have. And it uses this basket instead of the. I mean, you can use a paper filter, but just use the basket. That's what I've been doing. The flat bottom basket for coffee, and then we used to have this Bonavita coffee maker. I don't know actually where we got this. I got this out because, and this one uses number 4 like conical filter, which I think may be better for the flavor of the coffee. Anyway, I'm gonna do a shootout. I'm going to make the same amount of coffee and the same kind of coffee on both of these and see, we'll do a blind taste test and see which one tastes better. Alright, so I'm going to start by using this counterculture fast forward, and we'll grind up some of these beans. Will be the same beans, same grind, listen to me, first thing in the morning, the same grind, and we'll grind them up using the Compresso. Put 12 ounces of water for each one, so I don't need to make 2 full pots. Counterculture recommends a ratio of 1 to 17, so I'm adding 0.7 ounces of coffee for this 12 ounces of water, which hopefully works out. If not, I'm sure somebody will tell me that the math is wrong, but at least we're going to do the same amount in both. Get my number 4 filter here. Now let's hit brew, and then we wait. Okay, it looks like we're done. I'm not gonna leave the room, and I'm gonna have my wife choose 2 coffee mugs and put some coffee in each one. She's not gonna tell me which one is which, and then we'll do the taste test. All right, so we got our whole breakfast here, and we got our cups of coffee. I decided to do the same thing for Amanda, actually. So we'll both taste test them and see which we think is better. And I'm hoping I didn't make the coffee too weak in either of these. No, because if so, we may not like any of them. We're gonna start with this Iceland mug. Let's see what's in here. Tastes normal. Okay, so I get a little bit of the counterculture vibe in it. It's not too harsh or anything. That's a fine cup of coffee. I don't think we're gonna get more than fine out of these 2, but let's just see what happens to the other one. That is a little bit of a different quality. Although it's not immediately clear whether it's because it's weaker or if it's smoother. I think this one's a little more smooth. Just maybe got more of a bite to it. It's close. It's really close. Okay. Okay, so I'm actually surprised by the outcome. The both copies were very similar, but the one on the left here, which has been revealed to be the smart coffee maker, actually to me tastes a little less harsh. However, I wonder if this is also because it is slightly weaker. You had the opposite feeling, that you slightly preferred the old one, which is again kind of what I expected to find. So I'm a little surprised, but maybe pleased that I think they're so similar. The primary difference seems to be strength and not so much quality. The Bonavita maybe brews a slightly stronger cup by default. This goes for $130 on Amazon. The Atomi acquitted itself rather well in the test, despite not using the conical filter. And it also does have a strong setting that I haven't used yet that might brew a Boulder cup if that is your preference. This right now is about $90.